I got scammed. It's a terminology that's thrown around nowadays. It is true, yes. I guess it's based on your perspective, but I just wanted to share my take on it and give you my personal feeling about the word scam. I've done many trainings in the past and invested in my knowledge before that didn't really help me, or it wasn't what I was expecting. But I learned from my mistakes because if I had to think everything's a scam, I wouldn't be where I am today. Yes, there are some garbage products out there, but I believe you can always learn something out of everything out there. You have to change your mindset and your mentality about it and take 100% responsibility for your life and your own success. Because most of the time, it's a lack of knowledge or you didn't take consistent action and put in the work. So, is affiliate marketing a scam? Let's dive in to find out. The companies you see on the screen are just a small example of big international companies that make use of affiliate marketers to increase their sales and revenues. You also get companies like ShareASale and ClickBank that handle affiliate programs for literally thousands of companies that do not want to create or manage their own affiliate programs. When I'm asked, is affiliate marketing a legitimate business model, I can use some of the big international company names you see on the screen that's based on the affiliate marketing business model. Hotels.com, Booking.com, Airbnb, and Uber. Booking.com, for example, is seen as one of the biggest hotel and accommodation companies in the world, yet they don't really own hotels. They simply connect people looking for accommodation with hotels that have accommodation available, and by doing that, they earn a commission. As you can see, the affiliate marketing model is a legitimate way to earn an income in your spare time so that you can also live a life of freedom. Whether you want to quit your job, get some extra income on the side, have more time to spend with your loved ones, be a part of your kids' lives as they are growing up, travel and see the world, also be in a position to go on more vacations more often, but most people never get started because they don't know where to get started. If you follow me, I can make it a lot easier for you.